built for action. I seen you laughing, your smile is really blind, and I hope you can tone it down.
Happy first day of school, bitches. I'm kind of already running late, so I'm just gonna start doing my makeup right now. But it's my last first day of college, and my best friend Rachel actually yesterday texted me that she was like rewatching my previous like first day of school vlogs, and it's crazy how much like you grow in 3 years. I just love documenting like stupid shit like this. If you didn't know, I go to San Diego State University and I am a business marketing major. Business major. Yeah, I don't know, I kind of just chose this for no reason. When I was doing like my application, I was looking through like the majors and I was like, well, marketing seems cool. Definitely still want to do YouTube and everything like that. That's kind of why I did a marketing degree. I thought like maybe I can learn how to market myself, and I know after YouTube or even during YouTube I want to like start a business and everything like that. So hopefully I'm equipped for that, because I don't feel like I am. I'm grateful that I'm like have an education and I got to experience all of this. I wouldn't trade it for anything. I really loved school. I'm gonna do a full face today, even though I'm going to be wearing a mask, but fuck it, I don't know, I feel better. How are you guys feeling with first day of school? I don't know, I'm kind of nervous. Obviously we haven't been in-person classes in a while, and the class that I had today, okay, so I only have one class today. If you asked me the name of it or what course I'm taking today, I really couldn't tell you. I'm so bad at remembering stuff like that. I'm just like, well, I have class today, let's see what it is. Apparently there's supposed to be like 200 kids in my class, so not very excited about that thing. I know that we're all supposed to be vaccinated, but is everyone really? So I'm definitely going to be like wearing my mask around campus. I think the thing that I'm excited about most is like just the student life. I love going to like the library and doing my homework, all that stuff. I really just like separating life and school. It was super hard last year, especially since I work from home as well. I am ready to be lo-fi girl's little bitch again, you know? I'm done. Just need to put on some lips, but I'll do that later. Put on some lips though. My middle part's so fucked. Okay, so I got these new glasses, right? And I don't really know if I like them that much because they're kind of giving me like 3D glasses that you took the lens out of in like 2013, but we're gonna go with them for now.
I never had Thank you. With so much emotion. I've got a crush on you, sweetie pie, all the day and night time. Hear me sigh. I never had the least notion that I could fall with so much emotion.
I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed.
So I thought I would show you what's in my backpack. Actually, hot girl school bag, if you will. I just like using tote bags over backpacks. I don't really like the look of them. And for this, I'm definitely fashion over function. It's literally Hello Kitty and Harry Styles themed, so I couldn't really ask for anything better. I have a keychain on here that has my melody as a strawberry. Yes, sign me up. So the first thing I have are the glasses that I showed you earlier. I also have my wallet. I've talked about why I literally just use the pouch as my wallet, but I have just like my ID, you know, money. eyelash glue, lipstick, the essentials. This is my absolute favorite planner of all time. I love the cover, and on the inside I just really like the layout of it. I don't like when there's lines or I don't know, just like too much things going on. I like kind of like decorating, but not kind of starting from scratch like a bullet journal, because I really try to do that and I just can't keep up with it, and I get so like insecure and nervous that my planner looks ugly. So it's already cute to begin with, but I can just doodle and things that I want, kind of customize it in a way that makes sense for me. If I'm getting stressed by looking at my planner, then I'm not gonna look at it. I'm also going to be using like an online planner. I don't know, that's just like the kind of system that works for me. I actually got a compliment on this today and it like made my day, because I was like, you get it. So I forgot my headphones today, right? And it was so awkward. I don't know, I know it's like not supposed to be awkward, but whenever I walk around campus and I don't have music on, it just, I don't like it. I feel like walking takes longer, even though that makes no sense at all. I have a little pencil pouch from Daiso, and I just pack like all of my pens and highlighters. I usually try just to go for colored highlighters. I don't really like colored pens. I'm not sure why. I just feel like it doesn't really pop out to me as much as black. So I use highlighters, but I also just have like a random colored pen in here. It's green. I couldn't tell you why I have this one, but this is my favorite pen. I love this pen so much. I'm not a huge fan of like kind of like the Muji pens that you have to use like this. It kind of hurts like my finger right here. I think it's just like the way that I hold a pen is odd. I'm not sure, but I love these ones because like they click. I don't know how much I can talk about a pen. I also have this Chromie pen, which I'm not gonna lie is very shitty, but I just like using it. I feel really cute, and you know, Sanrio all the way, forever. And the last and most important thing is my laptop, and it's in this really ugly case. And the story behind this was that I didn't think I needed a laptop case, right, in like sophomore year, and then I just put it in my backpack. You know, I was walking around campus, I was like, yes, today's a good day. Open my laptop, I'm using it, right, and it's fine. And then I close it, and then I put it back in my backpack. I go to my different class, I open it, and it's like it doesn't work. It was like the tiniest little crack that I probably like slammed my backpack on the floor, and I just didn't know, and I was just so like, what the fuck, it just worked. I love the way that I decorated my laptop. Obviously lots of Sanrio. So I got this sticker a year ago, right, and I love it. I was like, this cat is so adorable. And then I got a kitten, like a stray kitten, like my family like found her, and I'm bringing her here at the end of the week because I kind of just wanted to like get a routine down. I didn't want her to like see me super stressed, and like, I don't know, I just didn't think that would be a good idea. And she looks so similar to this kitten. I didn't want to go too crazy with my laptop cover, but I still wanted to show some personality in it, and I really like it. I don't have much in my school bag. I try not to carry too heavy. I think I'm going to be like changing this one to, where is it? Okay, so I left it in my car and I'm too lazy to go in, but I have this Twilight bag that is black, so if it matches my outfit better, I think I'm just gonna like switch it out. But yeah, cool. I'm setting up my school Notion right now, and I'm like very excited about it. I don't know, I got this template from this girl named Isabella. I just love kind of having like a master list of all my due dates and just like tests coming up. For me, whenever I have like kind of like little assignments, or I guess just like most things, I like putting the due date like 3 days before it's actually due, so I can just get it done. I feel like it wasn't too stressful, at least for Zoom classes. I don't know how that's gonna be for this year, but that really worked out for me last time, because I feel like whenever I put the due dates on the actual dates due, I procrastinate and then I get super stressed out. So, you know, if I don't get the assignment done on the due date that I gave myself, it's not that too big of a deal because it's not technically due that day, you know? I feel like I'm just tricking my brain. Last year, I only had like a table list view, kind of like this one, but the thing I like about hers is that she also has it in a calendar view, which I think just really sexy. I just think it would help me visualize like the days and all that stuff a little bit better. So let me just spend way too long on doing this, but I think it's really worth it in the end, and it's kind of fun.
Will I sink as soon as I jump in? sure my feet will touch the ground, but I can't swim. And I'm not sure it matters in the end. I know that I should practice what I preach, but telling you the truth is hard for me. So Jesus, could you help me out? 'Cause I'm bursting at the seams. I guess I'll never know what's good for me.